I think that it's actually better to be a trader than an investor. I made like $2,000 this morning here, and I held the stock for like 20 minutes. I like to say, $2,000 a day keeps a real job away.
I recently sat down with Tim Sykes, America's #1 trader, and discovered how he took $12,000 of bar mitzvah money and turned it into over $1 million. Afterwards, we recorded a separate video about his trading strategies, and I was shocked by what I discovered.
Most people who have just a small account, they look at it like it's a bad thing. And for me, I like trading with a small account because I can make a few $100s or a few $1,000s a day, and then I step away. There's ways where I can make more money, but I might risk losing everything, and I can't risk that. Like, for me, I want to build my account gradually, block by block.
As a former Wall Street trader, I know that making money in the stock market is all about getting access to the right teachers and the right trading strategies. The truth is, anyone can do it.
Correct, and I'm not that special. Like, I'm not that good at math, I'm not that smart. I just recognize inefficiencies, and now I have 20 years of experience. So I have a few key attributes that can help people. Like, it's in my own best interest to train my students to be the best. Like, I want more millionaire students. I have 5. I can train them to say, okay, let me look at the process, let me learn about these inefficiencies, let me learn about these different patterns.
That's why I want you to learn Tim's strategies, so you can have the financial freedom you deserve. So I sat down with him and we recorded a special conversation right here in the studios, where he went specific on how you can make money as quickly as over the weekend. So if you want to see that, click on the link below or go to londonreal.tv/Tim, and I will see you for that conversation.